In this video, I'm gonna cover the mistakes I see a ton of beginner dropshippers making consistently and how you can avoid losing a lot of money going down the road in your e-commerce journey. The first thing I wanna cover in this video is product selection. In my opinion, one of the most important aspects of starting up your e-commerce store. Time and time again, I get people asking me, yo, Andy, I don't know why I'm not getting any sales. I'm not making any money. So what I go look at their store, and sure enough, they're selling a mediocre product that provides no value, and they think that just because they personally like the product or they believe in this product, so will other people. Now, when you sell a product, try and detach your personal interest from your product research methods. For example, I have a personal interest in surfing and traveling. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna specifically search for products in that industry because it's my passion. Now, what you're doing here is really just limiting yourself from all those potential products that could be winners and make you a ton of bread. I like to tell people all the time, I don't care if I'm selling push-up bras, makeup, nail cutters, stuff that I have zero interest in, but if it's making me $100,000 a month, I'm a happy man. Now keep in mind, one product could literally change your entire life. So what you want to be focusing on, putting your attention towards when choosing products, is how you can differentiate yourself from everyone else. How can you make someone's life easier? How can you emotionally connect to someone that has a passion for something? Showcasing a product that a potential customer has never seen. These are things that are going to help you separate yourself from the average dropshipper and achieve results like successful people in this space. And you realize soon that being extremely meticulous with what you choose to sell is actually going to save you from going through an endless loop of testing product after product, never finding a winner, and then you're just discouraged and you think dropshipping doesn't work, or you think it's a scam, when in actuality your practices were just the issue.